So today we want to talk about chamomile tea and infusions and how you can use them in your magical work. Chamomile is rather easy to grow. It just needs a sunny spot, and you don't have to plant the seeds very deep. Just sprinkle them out and maybe put a thin layer down and they will grow pretty well. The thing about chamomile is that it dries really easily. You can hang it upside down by bundling it together with twine or string, hang it from a ceiling, or you can use a dehydrator, and it keeps its shape and is really pretty, hanging up when you're not going to use it, or you can put it in a jar. It's easy to separate. What you want is the heads of the chamomile to make a tea or infusion. You may use the branches in other spell work just to put in some sort of candle magic or to put around in bundles, but it's the yellow heads you want to make your tea. So just get the tea at about 170, 180 degrees, the water, and put in about a teaspoon of chamomile heads and let it steep. When it cools, one thing you can do is take the tea, the infusion you've made, and go out and put it in the threshold of your doorways for protection. You can also rub it on the doorknobs itself and all around the doorway. That helps keep out any sort of evil. And a lot of people go around the window frames when they're done with the doors. So that also helps to keep out evil spirits. And of course, when you're done, you can make a cup for yourself and bring all that energy inside you. Chamomile is calming, relaxing, and just remember, if you have ragweed allergies, you may want to test and see if chamomile is the right thing for you. I hope this helped you, this little magical tip on how to use chamomile.